Hi there, today I'll be showing you how you can send a Skype PSTN meeting. So, the way to do this is to simply go to your Outlook local version and then access the calendar section here. Once you've done that, select the time and day that you wish to hold the PSTN meeting. So I've chosen 1 PM this afternoon, and once I've highlighted that section, I want to go up to New Skype Meeting and select the icon. Then this new section will appear, and as you can see in the text box, it will give all of the information that you need to send to your recipient. So for instance, it has the number that they would need to call on their landline or mobile, and then it also has the conference ID that they would need to type to access and gain permission to access the conference call. So you can then go ahead and personalize the message as well. So use the information below to gain access, and then go ahead and choose your recipients. So I want to choose Rebecca Allen and Jamie Cook, and then choose a subject, so PSTN. Now, before we send this off, it's important to mention that when you're sending the meeting invite, it means you are the leader of the entire conference call. So you will need to use your dial-in pin that you received in your sign-up email to actually start the conference call. I hope this has been helpful to you, and please be sure to check out our other content.